Welcome to this Fixit channel. If you are using a multimedia player that is third party, what that means is that if you're, instead of using the Windows, Linux, or Mac core apps like iTunes or VLC and depending on what you're using in Linux, because VLC is hit by a security flaw. In Windows, if you're not using the core apps, you're just using VLC, Daum PotPlayer, or any player that you've downloaded manually, that you have downloaded yourself. It's very important to understand that there's a security flaw in these apps. They all have, or the majority of what I've seen as third-party apps have a fix for this. So it's very important to update VLC or Daum PotPlayer to the latest version. I did here. It does have a update to fix this security flaw. So make sure you update to the latest version. Also, if you are one of those using an old version of a multimedia player because you like the interface or something, you see here the risk and why it's not a good idea to do so, because they do have security flaws. So make sure that you're at the latest version of every player. The security flaw, actually what it does is that they can actually do a buffer overflow. And that's on every version of operating systems, whether it be Linux or Mac OS or Windows. And this buffer overflow, what it does is that it opens the door to having apps inject code, actually. So it's very important to stay safe and to update to the latest versions. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thanks for watching.